In this video, we will be discussing the Oppo Reno 8, which was released on July 25, 2022. The Oppo Reno 8 is a feature-packed phone with great specs and an affordable price. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about the phone. Design and build. The Oppo Reno 8 is a sleek and slim phone with a thickness of only 7.7 mm and a weight of 179 grams. The phone has a glass front, Gorilla Glass 5, and a plastic back and frame. It comes in two colors, shimmer gold and shimmer black. Display. The Oppo Reno 8 has a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a 90 Hz refresh rate. The screen has a peak brightness of 800 nits and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The display has an impressive screen-to-body ratio of 83.9%. Performance. The Oppo Reno 8 is powered by the MediaTek MT6893Z Dimensity 1300 chipset, which is a powerful and efficient processor. It has an octa-core CPU with 1x3.0 GHz Cortex-A78, 3x2.6 GHz Cortex-A78, and 4x2.0 GHz Cortex-A55 cores. It also has a Mali G77 MC9 GPU. The phone comes with 8 GB of RAM and either 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage, which is non-expandable. The storage uses UFS 3.1 technology, which is faster than traditional eMMC storage. Camera. The Oppo Reno 8 has a triple camera setup on the back, which includes a 50-megapixels wide-angle camera, an 8MP ultrawide camera, and a 2-megapixels macro camera. The phone also has a 32-megapixels front-facing camera. The rear camera can shoot 4K videos at 30 fps and 1080p videos at 30/60, 120 fps with gyro EIS. The front camera can shoot 1080p videos at 30 fps with gyro EIS. Battery. The Oppo Reno 8 is equipped with a 4500 mAh non-removable LiPo battery. The phone supports 80W wired fast charging, which can charge the phone from 1% to 50% in just 11 minutes and from 1% to 100% in 28 minutes, as advertised. The phone also supports reverse wired charging. Software. The Oppo Reno 8 runs on Android 12 with Color OS 12.1 on top. The Color OS 12.1 brings several new features and improvements, such as a new privacy dashboard, enhanced gaming features, and a revamped user interface. Connectivity. The Oppo Reno 8 supports dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby, and is compatible with GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G networks. The phone supports Wi-Fi 802.11a, b per gram, N, AC, 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Q. ZSS, and USB Type Circa 2.0 with OTG. Conclusion. The Oppo Reno 8 is a fantastic phone with great specs and an affordable price. It has a powerful processor, a beautiful display, a great camera setup, and fast charging capabilities. The phone is perfect for anyone looking for a high-quality phone at a reasonable price. If you're interested in purchasing the Oppo Reno 8, It's available for $439 for the 128GB variant and $499 for the 256GB variant.